Again, it's May 9th, 10:37 in the morning, and I'm doing an eastbound run-through of the signs for the Curnow Bridge construction project. Construction 2 kilometers ahead, mounted on the guide sign with the speeds or distances of Merritt and Princeton. Assisting Route 8 tab east. 170 km/h sign has not been covered as it was described on the drawing. That says VSA's highway maintenance access phone number and email or website. Now, for some reason, we got this other 70 km/h sign, which is no more than 200 meters beyond the other one, but it should be covered as well. That one might be not needed. It could maybe permanently be removed because there's another one ahead. That's a flip sign for chains there we just passed. Now we're coming up to the second construction sign, construction ahead, traffic fines double in work zones. And now we're coming up to the plethora of warning signs for the railroad crossing ahead. Very effective though. Lots of signs, but it seems to be effective. And as we come around the corner, we've got the changeable message sign, bridge work ahead, May 4th and June 24th, 24-hour single lane, yield to oncoming traffic. Rockfall sign. Dark through here, but on the right there is a workers ahead symbol sign. Now we've got another 70 km/h sign, speed zone. That one should be covered. I don't know why that's there. Because the speed zone is actually 50 kilometers ahead as per prescription, and the 50 km/h speed zone sign. Yield to oncoming traffic 300 meters. Side road entering sign existing. Single lane traffic. Prepare to stop. And then ahead we're missing the do not idle sign, but we have yield to oncoming traffic with a stop line sign pointing to the left. And I'm just going to go through and see they got temporary bump sign on the left side of the bridge here. Curve left sign. There's a vacant signpost. I think it's redundant. Doesn't probably come down. And as we come here, there's a little bit of something might be cleaned up. We got 80 km/h in advance of the end work zone, or work zone ends sign, and that's the end of the sign segment in this direction going eastbound.